Hey everyone, I'm Mark Sievers, and today I'm going to show you how to make honey with Herbes de Provence. So if you don't know what Herbes de Provence is, it's a wonderful, beautiful, dried spice blend, and it has all kinds of savory herbs like thyme and rosemary and marjoram, sage, and even a little bit of lavender. And I love putting this with honey because it really does add a beautiful, kind of luxurious flavor to simple cheeses, even goat cheese or feta or really any cheese you want. You can drizzle it on all kinds of salads and roasted vegetables, and really anywhere you use honey, you can even bake with this in shortbread. So take my advice, make this at home, and let me show you exactly what to do. I'll give you a little overhead here. So here I have a mortar and pestle. If you don't have one of these, just the back of a wooden spoon on your cutting board works just fine. Here's some dried Herbes de Provence. I'm going to put in about 2 teaspoons into my mortar and pestle, and I'm just going to kind of grind this up. And what this is going to do is help release those essential oils that are left in the dried herbs, and also kind of grind it up a little bit so it's a little bit finer for the finished product. So, and as soon as you start to do that, you can smell this. And then here I have 1 pound or 16 ounces of honey already in a jar, which I love, so I don't have to go and find another jar around the house. And I'm just going to sprinkle in the Herbes de Provence, and this is going to sit in the windowsill, in a nice sunny windowsill, or a really hot room, a back porch, or somewhere where you get lots of good natural heat. And give this a little stir. And this is going to infuse for 5 to 7 days for really intense, beautiful flavor. And at the end of 7 days, you'll have the most beautiful honey. This also makes a wonderful little gift. You can put on a little label if you want and bring it over to someone's house for kind of cheer them up, and I just love that. And the little lid goes on and goes and sits in a nice sunny windowsill, and Herbes de Provence honey. Et voila, the perfect accoutrement to lovely cheeses for a wonderful afternoon. A little bit of wine, you know how I roll. I hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and also head over to marcsievers.com for this written recipe. It's very, very simple. And of course, lots of other recipes, kitchen tips and tricks, entertaining ideas, and information on both of my cookbooks. And until next time, bye everybody. I think I can just sneak a little taste to see if it's done anything. You guys are gonna love this. Bye.